Hi, hello and welcome to NutriTrack. If you're new to our channel, click the bell icon and subscribe and get notified as and when I upload new videos. Now let's check out 10 interesting facts about pomfret. Vitamin D and calcium-rich pomfret is needed for children staying indoors. It is a good source of lean protein, which means it is less in saturated or bad fats. It is rich in vitamins and iron, which is needed for healthy hair and glowing skin. It is said to be beneficial for the neurological development of the fetus in a pregnant woman. These fishes are good for depression and psychological issues in the elderly people. It improves the heart health and also stops the growth of tumor or cancer cells, especially the breast cancers. On comparison, the white pomfrets are less in calories and fat, while the black ones are rich in calcium and phosphorus. These are such natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which improves the brain functions, boosts the immunity and also improves the eyesight, especially in children. This fish has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces swelling in arthritis. Choose methods like tawa frying, grilling or shallow frying and add in curries instead of deep frying. Now it's time to check out this quick, easy and simple pomfrettavafry recipe. Hope you find this quick, easy and simple fry mouth-watering. Now let's check out its nutritive value. As I said, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so rich in protein and natural source of DHA. Do give it a try and comment to me below. Thank you for watching, and like, share, subscribe to NutriTrack for more nutritious recipes and information. Eat healthy and stay healthy with NutriTrack.